If you're interested in knowing that how you can use the Google Maps offline, then keep on watching this video, because that's what I'm going to show you in this video. So first of all, you need to open the Google Maps. Then you need to select the area on the Google Map for which you want to download the Google Map. And then once you're done, you need to click these three horizontal bars on the top left to go into the menu bar. And from here you need to click the offline maps. And in the offline maps, you can select your own map by clicking this and then selecting the area. You need to zoom in. The area you will select will be downloaded, and the total MBs of the map will be shown on the bottom right. As you can see, it is saying download will use up to 100 MBs of your free space. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to do a maximum zoom. I'm going to download this 70 MB of map and then just click download. It will start to download the map as it is showing the progress on the bottom. And once it is done, then you can just switch off your internet. Then you can use the Google Maps offline within the area which you have downloaded. If you want to download more maps, then you can select a different area on the map, and then you can follow the same sequence to download the additional maps on your mobile, so that you can use the Google Maps offline. Things which you have to keep in mind is your space available on your phone, and whether you are downloading this on the Wi-Fi or you are downloading it on your mobile data network. So you can use the Google Maps offline. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.